Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to enable night theme blur in Telegram using the latest updated settings. This feature adds a subtle blur effect to your chat background when you're using dark mode, making everything look smoother and easier on the eyes, especially at night. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This will open up the side menu where you'll find all your main options. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Now go ahead and tap on Chat Settings. Inside this section, you'll find all the appearance-related options for your chats. Scroll down until you see Animations and tap on it. This section controls visual effects and performance-related features. Under Power-Saving Options, look for Effects in Chats and tap on it. This is where Telegram lets you fine-tune visual effects inside your conversations. Now, you'll see the option called Night Theme Blur. Simply check the box next to it to enable the feature. Once it's enabled, go back to your chats and switch to a dark theme if you haven't already. You should now notice a soft blur effect in the background, giving your chats a more polished and modern look. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Night Theme Blur in Telegram. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore other settings in the app to further customize your experience. Telegram has plenty of hidden features that can make your messaging even better.